Okay, so today we're going to talk about solving rational equations. And really there's two kind of approaches. The first thing we're going to do is solving by cross multiplying. Alright, so you can cross multiply when you have two fractions equal to each other, like you have in both of these examples. Okay, so anytime you have two fractions equal to each other, you can solve the equation by cross multiplying. You just have to be careful that you multiply through all the way. For example, x minus 1 is going to get multiplied by the 9. And you're writing this down on your piece of notebook paper that I asked you to get out. Okay, so when x minus 1 gets multiplied by the 9, you have 9x minus 9. And you're going to set that equal to what you get when you multiply the other side. The other side being 3x times 4. And 3x times 4 is 12x. Now, all you have here is a linear equation. You don't have anything that's squared. You don't have anything crazy. You just need to get your x's together on the same side of the equation and then solve for x. And really, it doesn't matter which side of the equation you get your x's to. Typically, we move the smaller one, but it really doesn't matter. So I'm going to subtract 9x from both sides. So I've got negative 9 equals 3x. Then we're going to divide both sides by 3. So x equals negative 3. And just like with any other equation, you can always plug back in to make sure that works. Okay? So for the next example, again, we've got a fraction equal to another fraction. So whenever you have two fractions equal to each other, that is when you can cross multiply. So when you go this way, x times 5 is just 5x equals, and then when you go the other way, you just have to make sure you're multiplying that 2 by everything in that denominator. All right? So 2 times 4x is 8x plus 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? And then again, you've got a linear equation. You just need to get all of your x's to the same side and then get x by itself. Doesn't matter which side you move them to. Just get them together. In this case, I'll move the bigger one. I'll move the I'll move the 8x over. And to move it over, I'll make it negative. Those cancel. 5x minus 8x is negative 3x. That's equal to 6. And then we'll divide both sides by negative 3. So x is equal to negative 2. And again, just like with any equation, you can plug your answer in to check to see if it works. I would probably recommend using the store feature on your calculator.